Hi. Welcome to the MSE channel. Today I want to teach the merge of photos and create an integrated or panoramic image. You may have multiple images to show the structure of an area so that you can have an overview of the surface or that area. It is time-consuming and difficult to manually merge these photos. With the Photoshop app, you can automatically stick the images together. On this page, you see a lot of images. All of these photos are taken from one scenery. To integrate these images and create an integrated picture, first open the Photoshop program. I use the 2014 Photoshop app. From the File menu, select Automate and then Photomerge. The Photomerge window opens. There are different options on this page. You select the Auto option. Click on the Geometric Destination Correction. Enter the desired files. You can add or remove files before starting the operation. Operations start by clicking OK. Depending on the number of photos, the complexity of the images, and the ability of your computer, it takes a few minutes for the composition of the photos to be completed. You will see the full image created from 21 photos here. Save the project in Photoshop format. You can also save the final image according to the need for JPEG or NPG format. There should be no scale or repetitious writing about microscopic photos. Because in that case, the images are gathered around the same writing or scale. You can cut or erase them to remove the scales. By selecting and then removing the words or scales, the image surface of the sample remains. The best thing is to select it if the scale or words are in the photos, select it, and click Delete from the keyboards, but if it is outside the photo, cut it.